Hey guys, welcome to 22 Cruise again. I had a lot of videos uploaded, but the audio was pretty bad, so I'm gonna go like a recap. Cobalt is in the garage, as you guys can tell. Engines are out. Old engine, new engine, obviously. This thing is completely seized, so I'm having trouble getting the transmission off because it's completely seized, and so is the starter. Well, I guess because it's on the flywheel. Turbo's off. I cleaned up some parts, sprayed it down. I'm gonna paint it, try to get the rust off. All the gunk and stuff around the Alta. I don't know what was going on, but whenever I open it up to diagnose it, we'll see. Today I'm gonna try to get the turbo on this, turbo lines and everything, and the clutch. I'm gonna take off the front bumper completely and clean out the engine bay. I'm also going to try to get these injectors cleaned up. I don't know a good way to clean them, so I bought some fuel injector cleaner, and I'm gonna try to dip tips in to get them clean because they're disgusting. I don't even know how they're gonna work. I might need new ones, but it's easy enough to get out. So we're gonna try to clean it with some fuel injector cleaner and then go from there. So here we go. Taking the bumper off completely. I got all these rust spots. I want to get sand these down. The wire brush I have over here on my new drill, and clean this gunk up. Take off this. This is, as you can tell, it's just super disgusting. I'm not taking the wire harness completely out. I know that's lazy. You're probably gonna make fun of me in the comments, but that's okay. I think I'm gonna get as much out. It's not outside. So I can't pressure wash it, so get a bucket of water and some gloves and some degreaser and get to it. So this part of the engine probably won't get cleaned too well or painted. There's all the stuff in the way, but that's okay. So we're gonna go ahead and get started with that, and then I'm waiting for some parts because, and I can use you guys' help. If you know where to get the boost solenoid for turbos from, this one broke off, I guess, so we're taking it out. That'd be great, need that, and high pressure fuel pump, gaskets for this guy. I don't wanna reuse the old one. And then once I get this all cleaned up, we'll start reassembling stuff. So bumpers on the roof, had spiders everywhere, freaked me the fuck out, excuse my language. I'm gonna do some priming, some sanding. Like I said, we took it out, the frame got bent a little bit here. I'm gonna move this out the way. I am gonna do that so I can make sure this doesn't rust. So probably hit it with a hammer a couple times, get it bent straight and sand it down, and then make sure it doesn't rust there. So I will keep over you guys on the next couple steps a little later. So let it dry. Probably give it a 1-2 or 1 more, and then bend out this. Use a wire brush to get the rust out, and hit it with a couple coats of paint. Hopefully it sticks. I can see like down there, I missed. So I didn't get on this side too well, so I'm gonna go over that, and then get this mount all cleaned up, and then go from there. Alright guys, I think we're done for today. So I hit this with a wire brush and I sprayed some of rust neutralizer on it. This is the gunk from the car side, isn't it? It's disgusting. I use a wire brush and everything. Anyway, back to what I was saying. So I use a wire brush, clean up some of this rust, and then I use a rust eliminator, waiting for it to dry, put 2 coats on. I didn't do too good of a job with that. I was also looking at this, and so you guys won't tease me, I probably won't paint this because you know why? It's gonna be half-assed. So this side's gonna be black, and I'm not gonna do anything on this side because there's too much stuff in the way. So I don't want to half it. Yeah. So I mean, I guess I could paint from like this down and around, and in the back especially. I guess I could do that so it'll be halfway. I'm not sure what I'm gonna do about this. I messed up taking out the engine. I don't know if you guys can see that. Bent this back down. Seems to be pretty good. Got some parts over here I painted, like the mounts and the radiator stand, which is still in on this side. Spray these with a little rust adhesion. Probably gonna paint these as well because this holds the bumper bar and it's all rusty. I was gonna do this, but I have no color mat, so probably gonna leave it all beat up. I think that's it for today though. Not much else to do. Call ZZP. Like I said, new boost solenoid. So I kind of don't want to put that on here until I get the boost solenoid because there are 2 screws. I guess I could still put it on. And maybe I'll put the clutch on. If I get this out of the box. Flywheel's already here. So it'll just be applying the plate, the pressure plate and whatnot. And then I'm gonna need somebody to help getting this transmission loose. I'm gonna order a bunch of new hoses, I think. I'm gonna try to reuse these, but I hate these spring clamps, so if I get these off, then I'll reuse the spring clamps. If not, then I'll just order new hoses. So I don't know, this project's actually taking way longer than I thought. But we're getting somewhere, slowly but surely. So it's gonna be it for today, and then part 2, we'll get something going. Alright guys, if you like it, like, comment, subscribe. If you see anything I'm doing wrong, don't hesitate to tell me, because I'm not any kind of pro or anything. And I'll take it from there, give you guys advice, and I'll see you guys next time.